I hope you are having as most excellent a 420 day as I am. I've been enjoying the perfect weather out here. Slight breeze, perfectly cool, lots of shade. Not raining today. It has just been gorgeous. Um, Working on my studio, I'm working on getting the siding in, getting it all cut. I still have the little edges here to do where the cross braces are. It's coming along nicely. I've changed my mind yet again on how I'm going to do the barn doors. I'm going back to plan A, where I had solid doors made out of that greenhouse plastic, you know, the little tubular stuff. It's the most aesthetic I can find and still be solid. I decided I'm going to make another set for screen doors later. I can have more than one set of doors. I need to get it to be usable sooner than later. And so I'm going to do my drawbridge doors that come up, that are floors out here. I'll do them later. I still need them, but later. I've also got a lot of the wiring done. I still have quite a bit more. I'd say I'm at least 2/3 done on this project. There's lots of finished work and lots of pruning to do, but it is coming. I hope you're having as most excellent a 420 day as I am. Even though it's COVID time, look on the bright side. Have a great day.